One day I was digging in the sand on the beach, feeling like an archaeologist. As I sifted through the sand, I discovered a whole microboard there, and I said to myself, of course I can make accessories out of this. So then I started to work on my dream and collected nearly a bucket of full of seashells. After that, I faced the challenging question of what form of accessories would take. Nevertheless, I ordered all necessary supplies online, and then I found my seashell dream in the form of bracelet. With some effort, but with a sense of accomplishment, I created my first masterpiece. And my joy knew no bounds. But I wasn't about to stop there. Continued to experiment, I felt more surreal than Dali at his best days. Working with epoxy, adding pigments and mica, sometimes with batten and even clay, I kept moving towards my goal. In the meantime, I want to say that we live in such an interesting world, full of opportunities for ideas, solutions, and implementations. To find the right answer, you only need to take a closer look around you. Microshells become my faithful companions of this creative journey. And finally, I finished and presented to you my masterpiece. I love it myself. What do you think? Perhaps you also decide to try such a creativity.